ChatGPT's image generation got much better. Now you can generate high quality images. Definitely, it will take some more time, but you can edit that image, whichever is generated, by giving as per your prompt, and it is quite accurate. And whenever we will edit that images, so let's see and what are the new features are there, and what can you do by giving the prompts and change the images. So once you log into ChatGPT, if you see the new button is added like create image. Once you click it here, it will come to create image. Then you can give your any prompt. Let's say we will give dreamy countryside, a scenery landscape depicting the rolling hills under a vibrant sunset with a quaint cottage nestled among the blooming wildflowers. We will click on that. Then we will see it will definitely take some time. It will give you two responses. I mean, based on that one, actually two images you can say. So two images it will create, and based on that you will decide which one to enlarge and all. So let's see, it will take some time definitely, and we'll see the result. So here in this prompt we have written a child's imagination come to life, an illustration of a child's bedroom where toys have come to life, with a toy dragon playfully flying around and toy soldiers are marching. And here specifically we have given 16 is to 9 aspect ratio. So if you see, it follow the exact prompt whatever we have messaged. This is kind of imaginations, the toy dragon is flying and the toys are marching, right? So we can also edit this image by clicking it here. Here a lot of options will come. So if you see here, it is written describe what you want to add, remove or replace. And here also you can download the image if you are satisfied, or else you can select a particular area where you can edit. So let's see how we can edit this image particularly and how the result we are getting. So let's edit this image as for this prompt and we'll see what result it's giving. We have written the boys or a round glasses and the dragon's color is blue. So dragon color is now green. We'll see whether it is turning to blue or not, and it is wearing the glasses or not. So now the image is generated. Now if you'll see, wow, it's exactly following our changes, description, whatever we have given in the prompt. If you see the boy or round glasses, it's exactly round glass, and the dragon color is blue. So now let's further edit on the updated image. So what we will do, you will use the selection tool. You will click on the select here. So what you will do now, once you select the, it will come here selection, right? So now let's say a round color circle has come. Now we will select the one which we want to edit. We will completely cover this one with the blue color. So now we will write a cute parrot is flying, right? I mean, just look at this. The entire dragon has replaced to the parrot. Whatever prompt we have given, a cute parrot is flying. That is exactly here, without any distortion, without any change in the other areas and all. It's seriously very powerful. Now you will see how in a particular chart the chat GPT is remembering the context. For example, here if you see, we have given bespoke birthday card, a personalized birthday card featuring a watercolor illustration of balloons and with the name of Liju elegantly scripted in the center. Right? It's created happy birthday and Liju. Right? Then also we have given another thing, another image we have given a scenery landscape depicting rolling hills under a vibrant sunset, right? So this one also is generated. Now if you see here, we have given another prompt. Here we have not taken any name, right? If you see, we have written create a comic book page showing the willow story. A young girl sitting alone in a beach at sunset discovers a message in a bottle. As she reads it, she smiles and realizing it's from her late grandmother, telling her how much she loves her and always be with her. The girl looks up, and for a moment she saw her grandmother standing beside her and smiling back. We have given this prompt to generate a comic book style page, right? If you see here, it is exactly following that one. And the interesting part also, so here if you see, the girl found this bottle, and after that it read something later. Here if you see, it's written dear Lizzie. I mean, we have not mentioned the name here, but still it remember from this birthday. If you see here, Liju is written, but somehow it remember that context, and it's putting without giving any name. It's written, "Dear Liji, I love you so much, and I will always be with you, Grandma." right? So so inside this one also, without any spelling error or anything distortion and all, it's written in here. And exactly, if you see at the last part of the prompt, that girl is seeing the grandma, right? So the girl is seeing the grandma. Just imagine how quickly you can create the comics book, anything from this one, and also you can edit anything from here by having all the power of ChatGPT. If you see, you can add something here, you can particular select particular portion and change it. So that's all for today, guys. If you find any value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get updated on the latest happening in the AI world, because every day we are uploading a new videos. And also give the comments below, and to improve our video quality, also what contents you really like to see, let us know. We will definitely try to bring that one. Till then, take care and bye bye, guys.